Mga kapuso, ngayong umaga, maraming girls ang for sure kikiligin at iiyak dahil sa hugot na hatid niya. Ngayong umaga, makakasama natin ang isang vlogger and content creator na nakilala sa kanyang mga payo ukol sa pag-ibig. The love guru expert himself, Mr. Darbs Kim from RTD Con Real Talk Darbs. Hello Darbs, good morning and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Thank you very much for having me here. And sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, I hope you guys are great. I hope you guys are doing a good time, great time. At sana naman okay kayong lahat. At sana at least kalahati sa inyo ng mga nanonood marupok. Ang yung iba hindi. Sana.
Una sa lahat, sino ba si Darbs Kim and paanong nagsimula ang RTD kung saan di lang sa Pilipinas inaabangan ang mga content mo maging sa buong mundo? Can you share a story about this?
Well, basically, I just found out that I have a, what do you call this, talent when it comes to talking in front of the camera. Like 4 years ago when I was doing a specific live, kinuha ako as a host. And then on that specific event, and I found out that people who's watching that show like loves to hear me talk about specific things. And that's why 2018 August, I launched my Facebook page which is called Real Talk Darbs. Kaya Real Talk Darbs kasi even off camera, even before the person that you're looking at today, mahilig talaga akong mag-real talk sa mga friends ko, specifically pag kailangan nila ng advice or kailangan nila ng matindi-tinding sampal ng katotohanan. So, doon ko nakuha yung Real Talk Darbs.
You took the heart of many individuals dahil sa mga pa-real talk mong advices about love. Saan ka ba humuhugot ng mga ganitong wisdom? Is this coming from your personal experience o nasaktan ka na ba dahil sa pag-ibig?
Maraming beses na akong nasaktan sa pag-ibig. And part of the reason why I'm so okay telling people na tanga ka kasi pinatawad mo siya ng paulit-ulit is because I have been more stupider than them. Mas naging tanga ako sa pag-ibig kaysa sa kanila. My pain before na pinagdaanan ko is now everybody's survival guide, specifically in love. I was able to open up my past hurt, kaya ako nasasabi yung mga ganitong bagay because, I mean, at the end of the day, it was from my experience and I'm happy I'm sharing these experiences that I had before sa mga taong hindi pa nila alam yung gagawin nila.
Ngayon, Darbs, nauuso na talaga ang hiwalayan from a certain celebrity couple. Sa tingin mo, ano nga ba ang common reason ng paghihiwalay?
Isa sa mga realizations ko is that the only reason why both couple would not end up with each other is that they will not choose each other at the end. Yun ang naman ang dahilan kung bakit kayo maghihiwalay. And that is the reason why I always push na love should not be based on feelings, it should be based on decision. A decision wherein makatagpo ng taong pipiliin ka din tulad ng pagpili mo sa kanya.
I couldn't agree more sa mga sinabi mo, Darbs. Eto, isa sa mga pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon is itong heart healing session kasi marami na kayong mga lugar sa Pilipinas ang napuntahan dahil dito. Ano nga ba itong heart healing session?
Well, basically, heart healing session, it's basically an event wherein we discuss things about relationship. Could also be a reason for you to recover if you're going through a recent heartbreak. It's a community wherein we wanted to have people invite different speakers. It's a culmination and an invitation sa lahat ng mga top love and relationship content creators in the entire Philippines. And we go out there and we have a live show. That's the goal. And we try to make it an annual event, bigger and bigger every year.
Eto, pahabol na tanong ng ating mga kapuso netizens. Si Darbs ba ay single or taken?
I'm single but my heart is taken.
Single na single daw si Darbs, mga kapuso. Paniguradong marami ang masaya ngayon. Lastly, Darbs, invite all our kapuso viewers on your heart healing session and all your social media accounts and podcast channel.
For those people who, if you like what you heard, and you want more, I want to invite you to follow my Facebook page, Real Talk Darbs. You can also find me in Instagram, in TikTok, in Facebook, in YouTube as well, and in podcasts too. And for those people who is in Cebu And in Davao, watch out for the upcoming announcement that we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a live heart healing sessions there. And I hope to see you there very, very soon.
Maraming salamat, Darb, sa panahon na binigay mo sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Sana ay makapag-inspire ka pa ng marami pa sa content mo about love. Thank you, Darbs, and keep safe!
Thank you very much. Yalla, bye!
Tutok lang mga kapuso, kay mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.